Audience targeting is an important factor before running an ad. Today I will discuss how to target our specific audience in Facebook ads. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. We know that Facebook ad audience targeting has three parts. Their save and core audience, the custom audience, and the lookalike audience. When I use the save audience, custom audience, and lookalike audience, look at the chart. When our campaign objective our awareness, now we can use our save audience or lookalike audience. And our campaign objective is the consideration and the conversions, then I use the custom audience. Before target our audience, let's understand the buyer persona. It is better to find out all the informations about buyer audience before working on specific products. That's why we just look at that picture and look at the chart. The buyer persona. Buyer persona means the audience segment and audience targeting informations. Suppose we just create our audience and his name or the important things, our knowledge that, and his age groups, his incomes, what kind of people he like or dislike, what kind of dishes he like or dislike, and what kind of social media he use. Everything's the all kind of informations about buyer need to me and their targeted customers. That's why the buyer persona is the important things. Now we go to the Facebook ad dashboard. There is the option here, the audience and the create the new audience is their options. And these options, there is a make our audience. First of all, the locations, the age, the gender, and the details targeting. So part by part, I show you how to target our audience. Suppose that is our buyer website and our buyer sells there is many kind of shoes here and he provide our digital paid marketing and on Facebook. I will create an audience that's products. So that is the informations about this website and his product and his targeted audience or targeted customers. That is the company name, the fashion shoe box, and there are many kind of products here in website. They sells different type of shoes through the website. Now they want to include our sales and increase our sales the Facebook marketing. Their product are generally for the younger generations whose age around 18 to 30 years, and the product price is between 2000 to 3000 taka. Now they have to do specific targeted audience increase their sales. They run their ad some biggest city on Bangladesh like Dhaka, Chattogram, Sylhet and Borishals. And their product is sneakers, the business shoes, the casual shoes and the sandals. Now I just target the Facebook audience. First of all, the local locations. Just edit options, click and select the Bangladesh map of Bangladesh. Just write here Dhaka. And there is the options here Dhaka division of Dhaka Bangladesh, and that's what. And I just select this, and I just select the 10 kilometers around Dhaka. So we just click here and narrow our kilometers and look at that, the 10 kilometers around Dhaka. And our next targeted location is the Chattograms. Select and just paste here the Chattogram divisions. They are the same here. I just select the 10 kilometers around the Chattogram divisions and they are the selected. Now we just select, just click here and the paste the select divisions. And I just select the 10 kilometers. The next option is the Borishals. The Borishal divisions. look at that, I just select the locations of Bangladesh. There is 4 cities, the Borishal, Chattogram, Dhaka, and select. Now I just targeted our age group. Look at that, our age group is 18 to 30s. So just edit option clicks, and there is just click the 30. And our gender is the man, only for this company the sales products are the only for the man, so I just select the gender of man. And our options is the location, language. There are 2 languages that we will target, the Bengali or the English. Also, and there are the importance targeting, all the details targeting. Detail targeting means the what kind of people interested our product and what kind of people just select our product and buy our products. So our product is a shoe related, so we just write the shoe. And look at that, there is a many kind of suggestions there, the shoe, the footwear, the price, the offer shoes, and I just select the first option, the shoe, the footwears. And there were the many suggestion here. Facebook suggests me the footwear appeals, the sneakers, the online shoes replicas, and the boots. Don't say the boots, so I don't click the boot options. And the many kind of suggestion here, we just our product related options we just select there. So I just select the category here, the sneakers, the shoes, and the online related shoes. And have a look our audience size. The estimated audience size is the 12 million to 14 million, the huge audience to here. So I don't use the huge this kind of audience, I just narrow filter of my audience. So just click the narrow, and there are the 2 options here, the OR method or the AND method. I just use the OR method, and I just click the shoe, and there are the 2 options here, the shoe footwears and the shoe interest. I just click the interest persons, and the suggestion options is I just click the health not found at that, the engaged shoes options. That's click here, the footwears appearance, click here, and look at that audience size. The audience size only the 3 millions or the 4 millions. So these people are the more engaged our product and the potentials to buy our products. So I just narrow filter in my audience. So our audience is the targeted audience here. So it is the basic things of the how to create the Facebook audience, and I just click here the save audience, our audience got the saves. So that is for today, guys. I hope you will understand how to create the Facebook ad audience. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description.